Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into BBSI Payroll account. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Open up any web browser on your PC. Now type in bbsi.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will land it to its official website. Now tap on My BBSI Login button. Once you do that, new tab will open with Login Portal on your screen. Type in your email address and password correctly. If in case you can't remember your password, you can reset your password by tapping on Reset my Password link. Now after entering your account details correctly, tap on Login button to get logged in to your account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.